Alright everybody, how's it going? It's hot here. Sorry for the AC noise. I have to apologize for that every time I start a video now because people like to complain about it, but it's hot. It's so hot here in Texas, Simulio tweeted about it today, and I retweeted it. So, we got a fun unboxing here. A Nick box. This is the summer box, as you can tell. We got ice cream, sandwiches, looks like a picnic table, tablecloth here, slime. There we go. Got a chicken leg, ants, which isn't funny right now because as I said, it's hot and ants are looking for moisture. So ants here in Texas are finding their way into our houses. Not fun. We got sardines here on this side. On the bottom, we got some Reptar cereal, which I don't know if it was the last Nick box, but one of my past Nick boxes, it came with some Reptar cereal. That's fine. So, let's set it over here and let's get this going. Let's get into it. Item number 1. Ta-da! It's a silly straw. Silly straws are fun. It's from Legend of the Hidden Temple. Back in the day, anytime you go to Chuck E. Cheese, you coming home with some silly straws. Check her out. It's got a little statue there. Interesting. Fun. It's summer, so it's for fun things. Item number 2. Okay. It's all Nicktoons. I'm seeing Ren and Stimpy, Rugrats, Rocko's Modern Life, Angry Beavers, a little bit of everything. What is this though? Foldable Backpack. Interesting. Say what? That is very interesting. I've never heard of such.
This is the first I've heard of it.
Cool. Item number 3. Got a stuffed animal here. It's oh man, what is this? It's from Rocko's Modern Life. This isn't Rocko though. This is one bloated. This is one fat dog. God, he's supposed to be like aired up or something. I haven't actually seen any of this show, I don't believe. If so, like an episode maybe, when I was like on Nicktoons when I was little. So I do not get this reference, but I love it. It's hilarious. Item number 4. Another pen. Bloaty's Pizza Hog from Invader Zim. Fun, fun, fun. The pen collection I have from these is very good. Item number 5. This is like kind of heavy-ish. Oh. It's from Rugrats. It is a Reptar roll-up picnic blanket. Well, we gotta see what it looks like. Is it the Reptar cereal? Is that why that was on the thing? It is. Yeah, it's the Reptar. It's the Reptar cereal. Alright, let's fold it back up. Got it back. Item number 6. Everything's so... Here we go. Collectible Reptar ice cream vinyl. What? That's kind of cool looking. It's like a melted Reptar popsicle. Here's a better look at it. I love my vinyl figures. It's really cool. What's item number 7? Is this a shirt? Ninja Turtles. Come on now. Tie-dye Ninja Turtle shirt. I heard they're gonna start putting Ninja Turtle content in these. Sick. How is it cold? All right. Item number 8, maybe? This is also heavy. Legends of the Hidden Temple. Trying to figure out what I think this is. Oh, it's something that's glass. Oh, okay. Take this out first. Is this a cup? Is this like a cup? Or is this like a... We're supposed to put wax and make a candle out of it. You know, there's those really tall candles. I'm guessing this is a cup. Hand wash recommended. It's probably... Does it not say on the box? Oh, right here. Legends of Tomorrow ceramic mug. So it is a mug. That's interesting. Pretty cool though. I like it. That was it. So, fun stuff here. The shirt, I think, is obviously my favorite thing. Very fun. So yeah, we'll go back over. We got the shirt here. We got the Legends of the Hidden Temple ceramic mug. The Invader Zim pen. Legends of the Hidden Temple Sealy straw. Alright. This bloated puppy. Foldable backpack. Icicle vinyl figure. And a picnic blanket. So, fun summer stuff. If you're wondering how you can get your own Nick box, you can go to thenickbox.com and subscribe there. So, thanks for checking this video out. It's a lot of fun doing these. I really enjoy them. Leave a like, subscribe, comment what your favorite item from this box was, and I'll see you next time. You are just a fat dog.